Okay.
Are we starting now?
We are.
Okay. The first thing you have to have out are eggs and the box of matzah. We use gluten-free Yehuda matzos. Gluten-free because the family likes gluten-free.
All right.
So, and we've got oil right here for cooking, and we've got a nice big bowl. So what we do is, the first thing we do is, because I'm making an entire box, we like our eggs. So we're going to use 5 eggs per box. That's a lot. You can do 4 eggs very easily, but that's what we do. We're going to first whip up the eggs. We're going to add some water, and it's guesswork. Let's just say we put in 2 cups of water. All right, now we have the water and the eggs mixed together. Here's the fun part. We keep the matzah in the plastic wrapping, and this is where we squish it into small pieces. Then I'm going to cut this. You better make sure that it's over the bowl. Otherwise, you're going to have a mess. Okay. So here we go. This is the simplest thing you can make. And it is so filling. And it is so good. So now, you make sure that all of the matzah gets covered by the water and the egg mixture. While you let that kind of soak, it's soaking up the water, soaking up the egg, go ahead and warm up a large frying pan. And by the way, if it looks like it's too soupy and you got another box of matzah, just add some more to where you kind of think that the mixture is just right. And that again is experience, and you can't make a mistake anyway. So I'm going to heat up oil. I use olive oil. And I like to use a lot of oil. I'm sure she's going to cut that one out. Okay. Okay. Now you have to wait patiently for the oil to heat up. And if you don't know if oil is hot enough, I learned a little trick in home ec back in the 5th grade. All you do is you take some water and you flick it into the pan and the oil. And if it sizzles, it's perfect. Now it hasn't been in there long enough, so it's not going to sizzle. While you're waiting, if you feel like it, you can add some salt. I like to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of onion salt. I found it.
Onion powder.
Onion powder. And then I just salt lightly. Put the onion powder in. Just a light touch. Don't make it too heavy. There you go. And the idea is just to get this oil hot enough so that it spritzes when you put the water in it so that it sizzles. And then it's perfect. Then you're just going to dump the Matzah Brie mixture in here. You're just going to fry it up like you do eggs. And when it's all light brown, as you turn it over and turn it over, you've got Matzah Brie. Let's just try. Let's see right now. Not yet. The oil is ready. In it goes. You just dump it in. You want to keep moving them around because you don't want anything to stick to the pan. And now it's really starting to I can see the pieces turning brown, just the way we like it. I'm going to leave it alone again for another 30 seconds, because if you do it like that, and you don't keep swishing it around, it will brown up. I'm turning it again. All right, come on over, Pam. You can see it's browned lightly. This is the way we like it. So I'm going to turn the oven off, the stove. The wonderful thing about Matzah Brie is that everybody is going to have a different taste. Some people will want to melt butter on their portion. I love pouring syrup over it. Some people love to salt it heavily. I'm trying to think, what else do people like to put on there? Some people will put sour cream on it. So you just have to figure out what you like the most. This is Matzah Brie, and I hope you enjoy it.